Hey, you want to set something on fire? You want to have some fun? Well, we're going to set some lint on fire. First we got to get the lint out of the machines though. So let's go. You guys ever seen this before? Yeah? This is going to be bad. Okay, I'm standing back. Well, we have to clean these out like almost every day, but this all comes out of people's clothes. And we clean it out once a day. This is how extreme it gets. We try not to get too aggressive with it because it's very dusty. Might not been used as much. The way these are supposed to work is it gets on that screen and it dumps down in this hopper for you. So in between uses, it should clean itself. Just like collecting quarters. That ain't bad. See, there's some kind of ring, screws.
Nipple ring, actually.
Is that a nipple ring? Wow. See, you taught me something. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. I'll give away a bag of lint. Yeah. Oh, this is people's clothes. I mean, that's why your clothes wear out so much anymore. Cause what do we got? Ooh, there we go. What's that? Oh, it's a screwdriver.
Little one for glasses.
See what this is? That's fabric softener. Somebody put fabric softener in here and it's actually, that's clogging actually. See, look at that. It's actually clogging the filter. Yeah, you have to watch that. I should come in and wash that out later because see, there's more of it here. And it could be Sensi beads or fabric softener. That'll clog up this lint and keep it from, if this is clogged, your dryer won't get as hot. And so your customers will be really pissed. Oh, this is so much fun. What do you guys think? You think it'll burn good? Good Lord. But I'm surprised, Dad, that when clothes come out of the dryer, there's anything left. Because I mean, you think about it, we do this every day, day and a half on average, and it's this bad every day and a half. So, yeah, I'm gonna tell you that was a lot of fun. Let's check that off the list today. I want to make sure no one knows what we did. Bury the evidence. Go dump this and we're done with that part. Well, everybody wants to know how flammable lint is, dryer lint. Let's give this a try and see what happens, huh? This is gonna be bad. Okay, I'm standing back. Well, it's traveling pretty good, look at that. Because I didn't want to be right on top of it when it went. Oh, it's moving. Nope. No, it's not. I thought it would just beeline right to it. I mean, I might go set half of it on fire now already. I thought it would beeline faster. Maybe because we got upwind. It's moving though. But just really slow. I was afraid it would just take off like a jackrabbit. I had no idea. You can hear it picking up speed now.
Yeah. Halfway down the trail.
Yeah, we're halfway there. Just hang in there, folks. We're getting there. It's made it. I mean, it's actually gotten farther than I thought it would. I wonder what it does when it hits that pile. You think it's just going to smolder? You think it's just going to go for a little bit, or you think it's going to go whoo? We'll speed this up. Oh, come on. Come on, buddy, you're almost there. Go to your home. Come on. Come on. Oh, now, there we go. You can feel the heat from it though, that's the funny part. For as little as these flames look, you can feel the heat from it. Definitely doesn't burn like explosive, but it burns hot. That must be why it's so dangerous. Like I wouldn't want to pick it up right now. Oh man, it's picking up now, guys. Nice black smoke, the neighbors will think we got a building on fire. Whoa! This is, no wonder it's so dangerous, look at this. Well, you think of all the stuff that's in the lint too, plastics and whatever else is burning. Meth needles or whatever. Yeah, I would have thought it would have been more explosive, really. I thought you'd have like a poof, like gasoline, but it's burning really hot though. Myth busted. It's flammable, but it's not explosive flammable, which a lot of people acted like it would just ignite. It's burning hot, and I could see using it to start a fire, and it burns long, but it's not big boom. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got a little entertainment out of our fireworks here. I appreciate all the views. I appreciate all the subscribers, and I really love the fact that you guys take time out of your day to watch my content. And hit the like button if you can. Hit the smash button, share button, comment away. Let me know what you want to see. Don't be a stranger. Thanks for watching.